Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Sage Intacct attachments using backup exports. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Sage Intacct account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Company tab in the menu. Click on Document Management from the drop-down options. Find the Backup Exports section. Select the backup export file that contains your attachments. Download the backup export file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to review its contents. Identify the attachments you wish to restore. In Sage Intacct, return to the Document Management section. Click on the Upload button. Choose the option to upload multiple files. Browse to the location of the attachments you want to restore. Select the specific files for upload. Confirm your selections and begin the upload process. Monitor the upload progress bar for completion. Once the upload is complete, verify the successful restoration of the attachments. Navigate back to the document list to check the restored attachments. Ensure that all metadata and links are correctly associated. If any attachments are missing, repeat the process as needed. Review any discrepancies with the original files. Document the restoration process for future reference. This concludes the steps for restoring Sage Intacct attachments using backup exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.